disabilities or empowering
Department for Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities.
Department for Empowerment Person with Disability. You know, this is I think only Maharashtra has got such department which is independent, and the second state in Goa in India, that is, we are starting this department. So it will have major role, because right now this is one of the cell of social welfare department, and this is a huge department because over 5%, is it correct? Over 5% of our population comes under disability. They may not be registered. When I say 5%, all those who are getting old, amputation, or who may not need the government subsidies, government pension, government financial assistance, and they don't register. That doesn't mean that they are not disabled. So this is an inclusive kind of Purple Fest, identifying all the disabled and enjoying all the facilities and empowering themselves in the social, in economic, in education, in sports, whatever talent and creativity that they have, they will be able to exhibit that in this International Purple Fest. So this is meant for everybody. It is not specifically for person with disabilities. The inclusion is the important part of that. Getting mixed up with all other people and empowering themselves is a major our role.
This new department is Purple Fest to that department or
So the main aim of the department is also to have various schemes. कशें आसा की special schools आसा ती education departmentaच्या under येता. Social welfare has got various schemes. Other departments also run schemes for persons with disabilities. The whole idea, because if I am a person with disability, I should not be going to 10 different departments to get my things done. It should be under one single umbrella. So to ensure that we get better facilities, this department creation was very, very necessary, and I think government of Goa, needs huge applaud for going ahead, in spite of having not, the population of Goa is very small. In spite of that, we have started this department. It will be functional from the month of April. And तुमचो दुसरो question कितें आशिल्लो? Obviously. So whatever is with regards to disability will come under the new department, because the department is to cater to the needs of persons with disabilities.
So in terms of Purple Fest, so this eligibility criteria and registration.
On 10th January, we will have a specific day we have designated for that. So it is happening in Panjim.
Darbar Hall, sir.
Darbar Hall,
Yes, Rajbhavan.
Governor's Palace, Darbar Hall on 10. And before that, all those who wish to participate in this, they have to register. Even if they come on the same date, doesn't matter. But if we get their biodata, we will have in advance this, a booklet will be printed like this, all those, if we get data in the beginning, we will have a pamphlet made so that it goes in a circulation and one can find the qualities or the biodata, the talent or whatever education, whatever their full biodata will be available. So we request, is because of that we have taken this press conference in advance, so that all those who wish to come and participate and find a match, we will be able to connect to them.
Eligibility criteria.
On 10th of January, Darbar. Yeah?
So the eligibility criteria is already mentioned in the notes that we have circulated, so it is already there.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.